Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Photos and signing into the Google account you want to use. Make sure Wi-Fi is active, battery is sufficient, and account storage has room. This avoids interruptions. On desktop, use the Upload button. On mobile, tap Library, then Utilities to enable backup and sync if you prefer automatic uploads. Once set, choose the folder or photos to add, select multiple items to save time. That gets you into the actual transfer step and prevents duplicate work later. You now pick your upload quality: high quality to save space or original to keep full resolution. On desktop, drag files into the Google Photos window or use Upload Computer. On mobile, select Photos and tap the cloud icon or enable backup and sync for folders. Make sure to organize into albums as you upload if you want structure. While uploading, watch the progress indicator. If a large batch stalls, pause and retry smaller groups so transfers succeed without timing out. You finish by verifying that all uploaded photos are visible in Photos and placed into albums if you organize them. Make sure timestamps match expected dates and use search or device filters to find anything that seems missing. If something failed, first check network connection, available Google storage, and app permissions for photos, then retry the upload in smaller batches. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or sign out and back in to reset sync state before attempting another upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.